Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me DYMO printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to remove the battery on this device. Firstly, you need to open the cover. As you can see, on this side we have no cover, but on this side we have the small gray arrow, and by pressing this arrow and releasing your finger, you will see the cover was successfully opened. And here we have the battery. And to remove this battery, you just need to pull it up. Cool, that's it. As you can see, we have a simple battery. Here we have 7.4 volts, 1500 milliamperes per hour, and that's it. So it's a very good idea to insert it again if you want. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.